sounds. Ayan yung sana yan, no? Yung Bicolano na yung nakuha ang flood control.
Pasayaw pa kayo ulit? Meron pa?
Mamaya kayo pilihan. Picture tayo.
So again, I would like to welcome you about this family. The first set of family members and welcome them with a round of applause, everybody. Calling Ashley, Carol, Chess, Frances, Claire, and Edwin. Thank you very much.
Ilan ba anak niya?
Now, of course, what is an evening without the sidekick? We're not just celebrating a birthday. We're celebrating and hosting a world premiere in the making of 60 years. But with Robin of a Batman. Now let's present the lovely and stunning, wonderful Anne Bautista. Diba? Parang Miss Universe. Ay, naman siya. And of course, this prestigious moment leads up to this. Ang leader ng Anne B Fan Club. And we're welcoming the most distinguished man of the evening. He's a sigh of relief and he's also the pitch perfect high notes. All these evenings, who will entice us with a serenade later on. Please rise, adjust your bow ties, and let's raise the volume for the man, the myth, the legend, Ernie Bautista. Open door, Ernie Bautista.
Parang balipak ka.
Nobody told me this actually. Parang Manny Pacquiao, Mayweather. Sige. Mahirap na matipalok. Alright, again, a warm round of applause to our golden boy. Golden plus 10. Ernie Bautista. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Sarap ng upo.
Alright. So for this evening, as I've mentioned, of course, our golden boy. At dahil ito, hindi na golden dito. Golden plus 10. Actually, looking younger. And inspired yan ang ating very beautiful wife. O yan, nangangawarik pa o. Sige na, taki mo daw, taki. Ayan, gagalit ko. Ayan. Ayan, sabi ni Tita Ann, kailangan mo daw umakyat doon kasi. Tita Ann, dali na, Queen of the Night. So the King and Queen of tonight's event is here. And of course, we will have a moment wherein our very beloved celebrant who will serenade us this evening. But before he does that, I would like to, of course, welcome you guys to Ernie Bautista's 60th birthday here at Malaga Community. And thank you for sharing your time. We appreciate that you had to go all the way here and over ANZAC holiday celebrations. You're able to make it and share your moments with us. Ito yung pinaka-iintay ng lahat. And of course, our host and our hostess are
Naka-live ka? Hindi. Ha? Tatlo. Yung akin lang iniikot ko eh. Joanna. Joanna. Galing sumayaw yan. Galing. Dancer eh. Galing. Siya yung leader eh. Ang galing niya sa tumba. Ang galing. I know.
Kita pa ko eh. Pati yung sayaw namin.
Ang dami mo. Uy! Bundis.